Mabuhay, Philippine Airlines welcomes you to Manila. The time is 5 minutes past the hour of 10 in the morning, and the day today is the 10th of July 2019. The ground temperature is recorded at 29 degrees Celsius or 84.2 degrees Fahrenheit. Please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the aircraft comes to a complete stop and the fasten seatbelt signs are switched off. May we remind you to check areas around you for items you might leave behind.